channel Master Yourself. Today we are going to discuss questions based on general awareness.
Which of the following statements about the India Post Payments Bank, that is IPPB, are correct? First, it has been incorporated as a public limited company. Second, it started its operation by establishing two pilot branches at Hyderabad and Varanasi. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is A. 1 only. With simple, diverse, and growth oriented offerings, IPPB aims to give every Indian access to efficient banking services. Incorporated as a public sector bank under the Department of Posts with 100% GOI equity, IPPB has launched on January 30th, 2017 in Ranchi and Raipur, with the objective of being present in all corners of India by the end of the year. Who became the first woman director of an IIM? A. Deena Mehta. B. Neelu Rohmitra. C. Bhim Arya Maitri. D. None. Answer is B. Neelu Rohmitra. Dr. Neelu Rohmitra from Jammu University has been appointed as one of the heads of IIMs. She became the first woman director of Indian Institute of Management, Himachal Pradesh. Dr. Neelu Rohmitra is the founder of the Director of International Center for Cross-Cultural Research and Human Resource Management. Name the first e-commerce company that will become the member of Advertising Standards Council of India, that is ASCI. A. Amazon. B. Snapdeal. C. Paytm. D. Flipkart. Answer is C. Paytm. The country's fast-growing e-commerce industry will finally mark its presence at the Advertising Standards Council of India, that is ASCI, with Paytm set to become a member of the self-regulatory voluntary organization in April 2017. In which atmospheric layer are the communication satellites located? A. Thermosphere. B. Troposphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Stratosphere. Answer is A. Thermosphere. In terms of the Earth's atmosphere, they occupy regions called the thermosphere and the exosphere. The layer through which a satellite orbits depends on the satellite's function and the kind of orbit it has. The thermosphere is a region of very high temperature that extends from the top of the mesosphere at around 85 kilometers, that is 53 miles, up to 640 kilometers, that is 400 miles, above the Earth's surface. It is called the thermosphere because temperatures can reach up to 1500 degrees Celsius. However, despite the high temperatures, the pressure is very low, so satellites don't suffer heat damage. Which Indian city has been ranked the world's second most densely populated city with 31,700 people per square kilometer by the World Economic Forum, that is WEF, citing UN Habitat data? A. Mumbai, B. New Delhi, C. Kolkata, D. Hyderabad. Answer is A. Mumbai. Mumbai has been ranked the world's second most densely populated city with 31,700 people per square kilometer by the World Economic Forum WEF, citing UN Habitat data. Bangladesh's capital Dhaka topped the list with 44,500 people per square kilometer. Rajasthan's Kota has been ranked the world's seventh most densely populated city with 12,100 people per square kilometer. What was the symbol of death of Gautama Buddha? A. Stupa, B. Bodhi tree, C. Lion, C. Lion, D. Chaitya. Answer is Stupa. Stupa represents the symbol of death of Gautama Buddha. On the other hand, Bodhi tree is the symbol of Nirvana of Gautama Buddha. Largest cricket stadium in the world by boundary. A. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, B. Melbourne Cricket Stadium, C. Eden Gardens, D. Greenfield International Stadium. Answer is B. Melbourne Cricket Stadium. Currently, the Melbourne Cricket Ground is the world's largest cricket stadium in the world. The boundary line of this ground is 85 to 92 meters from the middle of the pitch, which is the highest of all the cricket grounds around the world. While Kolkata's Eden Gardens is reportedly number 2 with the capacity of 66,000. Rangaswamy Cup is associated with A. Football, B. Badminton, C. Cricket, D. Hockey. Answer is D. Hockey. Rangaswamy Cup is associated with hockey. Introduced in 1928, the Rangaswamy Cup was originally known as the Inter-Provincial Tournament meant to pick up players for the national team for the Olympics. After some years, the Hindu group in 1951 presented the Rangaswamy Cup that was named after one of its editors, and since then the tournament is known as the Rangaswamy Cup. The Good Governance Day, that is GGD, is observed on which day in India? A. December 22, B. December 25, C. December 21, D. December 24. Answer is B. December 25. The Good Governance Day, that is GGD, is observed every year in India on the eve of the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Good Samaritan policy has been launched by which state or union territory government? A. Delhi, B. Karnataka, C. Telangana, D. Gujarat. Answer is A. Delhi. The Delhi government has recently approved Good Samaritan policy, under which the monetary incentive of Rs 2000 and appreciation certificate will be given to people who helped road accident victims in the national capital. The scheme is intended to encourage people to take accident victims in emergency situations to hospital so that someone's life could be saved. Netherlands is hosting a festival of India at which cities in 2017? A. Hague, B. Amsterdam, C. Groningen, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All the above. A Festival of India is being organized in the Netherlands from 26 January to 27 March 2017. The events held in the cities of The Hague, Amsterdam, Groningen, etc. Which wins patent for flying warehouse to deliver parcels via drones? A. Flipkart, B. Snapdeal, C. Amazon, D. Paytm. Answer is C. Amazon. The US e-commerce giant Amazon has been awarded a patent for launching a giant flying warehouse that would act as a launch pad for drones to deliver items within minutes. The patent reveals plans for setting up an airborne fulfillment center, that is AFC, such as an airship or blimp, floating at an altitude of around 45,000 and stocked with lots of products, especially in area where the demand for certain items is expected to be high. When a customer places an order, a drone or unmanned aerial vehicles, that is UAV, will fly down and deliver the package. The patent claims that this would require little or no power because the drone would be gliding down rather than having to take off and land. India's first ever rural LED street lighting project will be set up in which state? A. Telangana, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. India's first ever rural LED street lighting project will be implemented by the Government of India, that is GOI, in Andhra Pradesh. The Energy Efficiency Services Limited, that is EESL, under the Ministry of Power, with retrofit 10 lakh conventional street lights with LED lights in Gram Panchayats of 7 districts in AP, in Andhra Pradesh. This is the first project for rural LED street lighting in the country under the GOI's Street Lighting National Project, that is SLNP. The first phase, the replacement will be undertaken in Gram Panchayats of the districts of Guntur, Praksham, Nellore, Kurnool, etc. This replacement drive in rural areas will help the Gram Panchayats to cumulatively save approximately 147 million units of electricity annually and lead to reduction of 12 crore tons of CO2. The entire upfront capital cost of this project is being funded by French Development Agency. Which instrument has keys, pedals and strings? A. Guitar. B. Piano. C. Violin. D. Tumbra. Answer is B. Piano. A piano is a musical instrument which has keys, pedals and strings in which the strings are struck by hammers. Rifat Sharook has designed the world's lightest satellite, Kalamsat. He hails from which country? A. Russia. B. Pakistan. C. Dubai. D. India. Answer is D. India. Indian teen Rifat Sharook from Tamil Nadu has designed the world's lightest and smallest satellite named Kalamsat. The satellite weighed only 64 grams, launched by NASA on June 21, 2017. With this, he became the first Indian student to have his experiment launched by NASA. The main role of the satellite will be to demonstrate the performance of 3D printed carbon fiber. The satellite has been designed in a way which will have a 240-minute mission in space and will operate for 12 minutes in a microgravity environment of space. The slogan Garibi Hatao was given in which 5-year plan? A. Second plan. B. Fourth plan. C. Fifth plan. D. Sixth plan. Answer is C. Fifth plan. The fifth 5-year plan laid stress on employment, poverty alleviation, that is Garibi Hatao, and justice. The plan also focused on self-reliance in agricultural production and defense. In 1978, the newly elected Morarji Desai government rejected the plan. Which state government has launched Mahaswayam portal for job seekers and employers? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Assam. C. Telangana. D. Maharashtra. Answer is D. Maharashtra. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra had launched a web portal Mahaswayam for job seekers, employers, entrepreneurs, and training institutes. At Mahaswayam, job seekers At Mahaswayam, job seekers are able to register themselves, search as well as apply for jobs, inquire for training, get information on self-employment and get details of job fairs. Besides, training institutes can also register, get details on participation in the State Skill Development Program, get training free receipts and can also receive training fee through ECS. Apart from this, entrepreneurs can also post job vacancy advertisement at the portal. Which company announced the launch of 1 Gbps, that is gigabits per second, wired broadband internet services in Hyderabad, India's first gigacity? A. ACT FiberNet, B. BSNL, C. RCom, D. Telenor India. Answer is A. ACT FiberNet. ACT FiberNet announced the launch of 1 Gbps, that is gigabits per second, wired broadband internet services in Hyderabad. It makes the city of pearls India's first gigacity. Which new train is being flagged off by Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu in April 2017? A. Double-deck passenger trains, B. High-speed rail, C. Metro train, D. Vistadome coach train. Answer is D. Vistadome coach train. Vistadome coach train, flagged off in April 2017, is routed between Visakhapatnam to Araku Valley Station. Who is the newly elected president in Belarus? A. Ranjit Nagpal, B. Alexander Lukashenko, C. APJ Abdul Kalam, D. Hercules Ivan. Answer is B. Alexander Lukashenko. Alexander Lukashenko is the newly elected president of Belarus.
If you liked this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends.